Hey guys, how's it going? We are here at Sueyoshi Park in Shuri, Okinawa, and it's really close to Naha. The views are incredible here, but I wanted to show you this park because honestly, this is probably my favorite public park that I've been to so far here in Okinawa, so I really want to show you around. There is all kinds of steps that go in all kinds of different directions, but this is the direction we're going right now. We've already walked a long time because we just did a live video. So we're trying to figure out where exactly to go. There's all kinds of directions. We're trying to get to a temple that they have. Here. These may be some of the biggest leaves I've ever seen. Look how massive that leaf is the reason you don't trek through the jungle in Okinawa. Holy shit. Yeah, now that we're in a little more wildernessy pathway, we gotta watch out for those spider webs like that. So I'm really keeping an eye out here. You know, looking around here, and I just think like during the war, I mean, I know there was a lot more dangerous things going on, but it's crazy how there's all kinds of mosquitoes. Crazy how the soldiers and stuff would trek through these jungles with all these crazy spiders and habu snakes and stuff. Yeah, there's like a random house up here. I'm gonna have so many mosquito bites. It's ridiculous. How many butterflies though? I don't even know what these are, but these are like some of my favorite trees already. I love the leaves, I love the length, I love the color of the leaves and the branch. I love these trees. I'm a tree lover. I am loving this environment. The trees and the foliage and the big leaves and stuff. This is my favorite foliage. So I already walked up this thing, but we counted there was like 156 steps or 160 steps or something. And it's a lot, but you could, oh, there's the monorail. You can see the view there. There's Naha. These bugs. Yeah. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, that is awesome. I like the flowing water here. Oh, it feels nice. Look at the palms. Wow, this looks really cool. This park is so pretty. Guys, I absolutely love this area. These houses, I want one of these houses. This park is so nice. Wow, that's a beautiful shot right there. You can see the ocean and the city and these. Wow.
Driving to it?
Yeah, we were trying to get to that temple up there, but we couldn't figure out how to get to it. We're parked over here. This is such a beautiful area though. Okay, we're still trying to find this temple that we saw, and we're in the neighborhood now, kind of near it according to the map. And people said you kind of have to hike through the park to get there, but there's stairs right here through the neighborhood, and we're gonna see where these go, because it looks like it goes right up and over into the temple. I think you're right. I think this goes somewhere. Which way though? Probably this way? Okay, we're back in the woods. We drove all the way up and around. We didn't have to walk up the stairs. And I think we're back in the woods. I think we're on track again. I'd actually be surprised if this didn't connect, to be honest. Ooh, wow. Do you see that? That's crazy. Well, this is gonna be an adventure. This feels super spiritual. These are some sketchy steps. Yeah, Kit, I'd like to live around this park. This is a good escape from the city that we're in. The lady that you just saw was carrying her dog, her little dachshund, and we saw her way down earlier at the park. So she's still in the park and we're up here. Definitely connects. Hey, we found a building. There's a building here, yeah. Oh. That's the temple, right here. Oh, there it is. Look at the view. Naha. This temple in particular, people walk from the bottom all the way through the park to the top of this and then throw money in here and you pray for good health. We kind of cheated because we parked on a street up there and just took some stairs down and the temple is right here. So I'm still praying for good health, but we didn't walk the whole way. And it's a good view too. You can see there's Naha. It looks really pretty. Yep, and here's the way we came. This day has been very different, to say the least, and I have really enjoyed it. I'm also getting really hungry, almost like shaky, so we should go find some food. Okay, I'm gonna end my vlog too. I'm really hungry. We stopped in at Coco's, which we're really excited for because I haven't had Coco's in a long time. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Subscribe down below if you like Okinawa, Japan. I'm loving Okinawa, especially today. Today was very pretty. So, see you guys in the next video.